In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a site on Wix, providing you a clear and step-by-step tutorial. Unpublishing your site might be necessary for a variety of reasons. Perhaps you're making extensive updates, or you simply need to remove your online presence for a while. Whatever the reason, you can rest assured that the process is straightforward and easily manageable through your Wix dashboard. To get started, you first need to navigate to your Wix dashboard. You can do this by opening your web browser, heading over to wix.com and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your site or sites listed on the dashboard. Select the site you wish to unpublish by clicking on it. This will take you to the home section of the dashboard specifically for that site. Now that you're in the home section, you'll want to draw your attention to the navigation panel on the left hand side. You'll see a section labelled Settings. Give that a click. The settings page is where you can control various aspects of your site, and it's crucial to know your way around here if you're managing changes. With the settings page open in front of you, your next step is to find and click on the website settings option. This is where you'll find the management tools specific to the live status of your site. The website settings page gives you access to a variety of features that allow more nuanced control over your site's online presence and functionality. Once you're in the website settings, look around for the option labelled Unpublish. This is the step where you effectively remove your site from being live on the internet. By clicking on Unpublish, you are confirming that your site will no longer be accessible to the public. However, don't worry, this doesn't mean your site is deleted, it's simply not visible until you decide to publish it again. This flexibility ensures you can make changes or updates without any disruption to public viewership. Remember, unpublishing a site doesn't impact your edits or saved configurations. Everything stays intact on your Wix dashboard until you choose to republish your site. The changes are reversible anytime, granting you the freedom to bring your site back online whenever you're ready. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. By following these steps, you'll have successfully removed your site from public view on Wix. It's an effective way to manage content without losing any data or hard work. If you have any questions or run into trouble, Wix's support and help articles are great resources to further assist you. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.